Bye. Do do. Slow and steady wins a race. Do do do. Come on and do the Alfred. Do do do. Hello, hello, hello people. Yeah, so we're in the not so sunny Lake District today, as you can see, I think. Started off at a place called Hartsop, heading up. We'll do the knott first, so this is it's only a 7 mile, but it's starting mid-afternoon to catch a sunset up the top. At the moment it's overcast up there, but I have high hopes. We'll see. But yeah, so after there, head across, we'll do a High Street. And no, it's not your Primark or your WH Smiths. You can't get your fancy trainers from there, that's for sure. And then heading over to Stony Cove to finish. Hopefully catch the sunset there, because that'll be the last one before we head down. And even that sounds like I'm going to the shops and then off to the beach, doesn't it? But yeah, come along for the journey. Hooga booga. The only thing I don't miss is all this bog. Back in there. Barefoot shoes now. There's so much, like, probably took a year to fully get used to them. Like, I think it was 4 or 5 months ago I did my first biggest day in them. It was like 23 miles, it was the Yorkshire Free Peaks. Couldn't do that much, especially on my own. Apart from like tomorrow, because once a month I take the weight lads out. Been getting them do a lot of scrambling lately. They've all been enjoying it. My latest thought was, if you could time travel back to any time in the world, what would you go to? Leave a comment in the description. Mine would be to see the dinosaurs, because with me only having little tiny arms, I'd like to go find my dad, the T-Rex. Clearly probably just eat me, but it would be fun. But you can only go to one place only, not multiple places. But yeah, that's what mine would be. Like I said, let us know. Leave a comment. I'll definitely get back to you. First one to the summit has to get the snacks in. Oh, he's winning! He's catching me! We'll take it as a draw. Yeah, so this is the knot. The not so viewable, that's for sure. And then straight up and over. And then we'll go to the shopping market at the High Street. Yeah, okay. Finally, it's breaking through. What a bit windy like, but yeah, what a view. Alfred! Off it goes. Not wild camping this weekend, because it's a multi-day, do this, just me and Alfred today, and then take the weight lads out tomorrow, because I take them out once a month. Stay in the van tonight, got a steak to cook for me and the lad, so yeah, should be a good night, a few beers, up early to meet the rest of them, and then, but that'll be in a part 2 video. This will just be the full video now. On the final uphill now to High Street. Gonna get no views. But at least there's a bit of snow on the ground, hanging in on that white stuff. Come up from the knot over to High Street. It's pretty simple. Just follow the windbreaker all the way across, and eventually you'll get to the summit of High Street. There she is, the summit of High Street. Boop, boop, boo. Well, all the views today, all the views. Do you agree, sir? Do you agree? Do you agree? Oh, spot the doggy. Thornthwaite crag. Very slippy. Pop, beep, boo. She's a big one. Not climbing that today. It's very, very moist. It's nice, zigzaggy. But then once you get down so far, you've got to come straight back up to Stony Cove anyway. But at least this is getting as close as remarkable to a beach, little stony beach. All the scree. I sent up the last bit now to Stony Cove Pike. It's a nice little rockily scramble up, nothing too major. It's a good one. It's basically a path just with bigger rocks that you might need to push your hands up on. But it's a good one. It's nice because it literally just pours out the wind this side, instead of it blowing a hoolie in the face on the way up. Come on then! And look at that. Views have come back for a bit. There you go. Go on then. I'll come up this way. Whoop. Little one-handed. Come on then. Come on. Yeah, see, it's not that bad. A couple of places you need to use your hands. The rest of it's just like a normal path, but you can shoot up that way. It's totally up to you. Crag's coming back in now. Just carry on. He's off. He ain't waiting for no man. There you are. See if I can get a bit better. All the crag Yeah, so shoot down and then up here, stony pike, and then you can go back around. Bob, beep, boop. Alright, that's it. All done and dusted, aren't we? Oh yeah, we are, yeah. Well, I could tell I wasn't going to get a sunrise, so we've hit this hard. This is only, we're up here, an hour and 50 now. Do all them. So I'll head back down, and when there's a bit of visibility, I'll get back to you. Yeah, so back now. I tried to record before, but it was raining that much, just wanted to get back. Yeah, so we got back for 4:30, so we're only out for 2.5 hours, just over. There's going to be no sunset, so we just cracked on. He's fast asleep snoozing. Like 7 miles. It is a good one. It's a perfect loop. Land back it straight into the car park. It's steep and slippy on the way back down because it's squirrely. So I'm going to have this beer. I'll bring it back in when I'm making tea for us too. Right then, so we'll make his first, because we're not seasoning his. Oh, juicy steak for the juicy boy, eh? You want some juicy steak, do you, mate? Yeah, so while I'm cooking this, I'll just say thanks. I appreciate it if you managed to get to the end of this video. And if you want to say anything, comment down below. Like and subscribe. Peace.
Crazy. That's what I saw. There's not a lot in this world that I love, but the shit that I